Hi everyone, welcome back to Yedo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens on the Samsung Galaxy A51 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to hit gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, on the rear cover's back side, apply the heat to soften the camera lens glue, and then gently apply pressure to take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, take the new camera lens and place it on the rear cover by applying glue around the lens edges. Most of the time, the replacement lens is coming with adhesives. Here we are using B7000 glue to add the camera lens into the frame. Make sure the lens has seated and placed securely. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the camera glass replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.